So as I continue to practice more and more, I'm pretty much past the being scared of the buzzing noise in the head. And now I'm to the second point where I get excited when I get it. I start playing around with it too much. And I self sabotage myself by focusing too much on it, which pulls me out of the state. So, and then sometimes I get the vibrational state, the buzzing noise in the head, and I feel like I don't deserve it. Like, why am I getting this so fast? I didn't practice hard enough. I didn't practice long enough, or something like that, or it shouldn't be coming on so quick. So that's the next phase of getting over that again.